All right, what's going on, guys? Wanted to make a video on how to use the EzAlgo buy and sell signals. Now, buy sell indicators often get a bad reputation, and honestly, I don't entirely disagree with it. I mean, if you're solely going to follow buy and sell signals in your trading strategy, odds are you're not going to be profitable over the long term, which is why price action always comes first. And that's what we teach here at Easy Trades, right? It's always a price action focused trading strategy. We don't solely focus on the buy and sell signals. However, these signals can be of great use when used correctly. And the thing is, most people don't use them correct. So that's why I'm here in this video, to show you guys exactly how you can use these signals to help you in your day-to-day trading, help you find entries, help you take profit. The key with using the buy and sell signals is that you want to use them, one, on Heikin-Ashi candles, because these are trend trading signals. You want to be using a candle average, aka the Heikin-Ashi candles. And number two, you want to make sure that price is at a key level. If price is not at a key level, do not take the trade. These signals are meant to be used at key levels only, all right? Very, very important that you understand that one point and not try to follow every individual buy or sell signal. Now, if we come up here into the EzAlgo settings, you will see we have this sensitivity feature. Now, this changes how frequent the buy and sell signals are. I think by default, it's 1.7, which is something I recommend. The only slight issue with this is that some of the signals will be a little delayed, right? This sell signal is a little bit delayed, right? This buy signal is a little bit delayed. Granted, we're on the Japanese candles, but still, this sensitivity might not be best for entry, right? You might be using this sensitivity for confirmation after you've already entered a trade. But if you want to enter using these signals, what you can do is actually lower the sensitivity, right? So I recommend anywhere from 0.5 to 1.5. Now, you can go all the way up to 3 on Heikin-Ashi on some time frames, but when you're using these signals specifically for entry and exits, use a lower sensitivity. So for example, the 0.5 sensitivity. Now, what you want to be doing is using these signals at key levels, like I said. So what exactly is a key level? Well, a key level could be a support or resistance level, a key Fibonacci level, for example, like the golden pocket, a trend line, etc., etc. So these are the key levels that you're going to be looking to take these buy and sell signals with. However, we're not going to be using them on a higher time frame. For this strategy, we're actually going to go down to a 5 to 15 minute time frame for our entry. Now, this was a key level that I was looking at yesterday. I was looking at this golden pocket. I was also looking at this descending parallel channel. So I had multiple different confluences telling me that the probability of price reacting in some fashion at this area is high. So what you can do is then go to the 5 minute time frame, turn on your Heikin-Ashi candles, turn on your EzAlgo, and look at that, right? We had an EzAlgo sell signal. We also had confluence with those reversal signals, a previous mild sell signal, and then that EzAlgo sell signal, right? This candle is where you're entering the short position. We are at a key level on a higher time frame. These signals right here, right? These signals we're not taking. We are at a resistance level on a higher time frame, so these buy signals are automatically mitigated. But this sell signal here is the one that you want to take because it's at a key level that you're looking at on a higher time frame. You go down to the 5 minute time frame on Heikin-Ashi candles to get that sniper entry. All right, this is how I personally use buy and sell signals at this point, right? I used to use them a lot more on higher time frames, but recently I've been trading mainly price action, right? Which is what I teach, mainly price action, and then I go down to a lower time frame for that entry on the Heikin-Ashi candles. Now, you'll notice that on the 0.5 sensitivity, the signals are very, very frequent. So if I actually raise this to, let's say, 1.5, you might get less signals. So let's change it to 1.5, and you can see that the signals are a lot smoother on 1.5. However, this sell signal is one candle later. So just keep that in mind. If you want to use a higher sensitivity, your entry might not be as perfect as it could have been if you're using a lesser sensitivity. But the caveat to that is that when you're on a higher sensitivity, these signals are a lot more clear, they're less choppy, and you can probably stay in the trade longer, especially if you're trading on the 5 minute time frame. Now, let me show you another example on a lower time frame of a key level to look at. So to start, let's go to the 30 minute time frame, and you can see that we had this prominent low, right? We had this low, then we had this bullish candle, and price moved up. That tells me that there are buyers in this area. So when price comes back down to this level, you're going to be looking for a swing failure of this candle low. Swing failures is a trading strategy that I teach all the time. It's one of my favorites. And using these buy and sell signals, you can actually catch the bottom of these swing failure patterns. So right here, as price is coming down to grab all of this liquidity, what you're going to do again is move to the 5-minute time frame, turn on your Heikin-Ashi candles. Let's go down to a 0.5 sensitivity because we want the earliest signal possible. And there we have it, right? We have a buy signal. We're also at a 5-minute support level on EzAlgo. So we sweep those lows, we have those reversal signals, and we reclaim with that buy signal on EzAlgo, right? These are the signals that you want to be taking. We are at key levels. Now, keep in mind, because we're on a lower time frame, this is only 0.4%, but since we're trading Bitcoin, you're going to be wanting using higher leverage and a lower position size on a lower time frame. Leverage doesn't matter, right? It's all about position size. But personally, what I like to do is use a lower position size and higher leverage. So maybe I'll enter with a few $100s, right? But since I'm using 100x leverage, these gains can really add up. And you always have to use good risk management with any strategy that you're using. What I'm trying to show you guys is that these are how the buy and sell signals are meant to be used, right? Let's use the default 1.7. Honestly, you can keep the default at 1.7. You can change the sensitivity slightly. It's totally a personal preference. And the same rules apply, right? You're looking for those key levels on a higher time frame, or you're looking for spots where there's a lot of liquidity. So you're looking at a support level, like I said, a key fib level, a trend line, a swing failure pattern. There's constantly new setups that you can look for. And what you're going to be doing, like I said, is starting on a higher time frame and then going down to that 5-minute time frame using the Heikin-Ashi candles and the buy and sell signals to help you get that perfect entry, right? So these signals right here, right? This sell signal, this buy signal, this sell signal, this buy signal. These are not trades that we're going to be taking. We are not at a key level on a higher time frame. And if you want, you can go and back test this as well. Look at any time price comes up to a resistance level, right? This is a resistance level. You're going to be looking for shorts at this level. I'm going to color this line red to let us know that we are at a resistance level. We can go to the 5-minute time frame, go to the Heikin-Ashi candles. So here is what it would have looked like in real time on the Heikin-Ashi candles. You know that you are at a resistance zone on a higher time frame, right? On a 1-hour time frame. So you're going to be looking for sell signals on EzAlgo. And look what happens, right? We come up, we're not taking the buy signal because we're at a key resistance level, right? We see we have those reversal signals, that mild sell, and then we get that sell signal on EzAlgo. That is going to be our entry. And you can see that you would have sniped the absolute top using that sell signal. And you can also use EzAlgo to help you take profit, right? You might want to take profit at some of these buy signals, or at least sell part of your position, move your stop loss to break even to lock in those gains. And in this case, I would most likely get out somewhere around here when we get those reversal signals and we get those bullish candle wicks. That is probably when I'm going to get out of the trade. But you can see that is a 0.8% move on the 5-minute time frame. So if you're using high leverage, that is a good trade. And on a 1-hour time frame, right, this is what your entry would have looked like. So on a higher time frame, it looks like you're getting the perfect entry. That's because you go to a lower time frame using the buy and sell signals for that entry. And you could also go down to the 5-minute time frame using levels from the 1-hour time frame, right? That is what's great about our new SR indicator. Instead of using the chart time frame, you can use the 1-hour time frame, keep the settings the same, and look at this, right? Comes right up to a resistance level on the 1-hour time frame. We get that sell signal, price drops. Where do we take profit? We take profit right at this EzAlgo support level, right? These levels are here in advance. These are non-repaint levels. And then you can take a long off the 1-hour support using the EzAlgo buy signal as your trigger, right? Again, you're taking these buy signals, right? There might have been a stop out there. Probably wouldn't have been a stop out there. These are the signals that you want to be taking at key levels, right? And you're going to that lower time frame for the entry. So I hope this video helped clear up exactly how you can use the EzAlgo buy and sell signals to your advantage. Remember, these signals are best on the Heikin-Ashi candles. They are trend trading candles, meaning you want to use them when price is in a clear uptrend or downtrend, or at key levels, which is what I do. So either a swing failure, a higher time frame support or resistance level, a key Fibonacci retracement level. My favorites are the golden pocket, so the 0.618, the 0.65, parallel channels, trend lines, etc. These are the areas where you're going to want to use the Heikin-Ashi candles, go down to a lower time frame, and you can use EzSR to help you with the higher time frame support and resistance levels. I'm on the 5-minute chart right now. You guys just saw I pull up the 1-hour levels, and price respects these levels very well. Be sure to try this out for yourself. These signals add a ton of confirmation and can definitely help a lot of you guys, especially the new traders out there. So hit the first link in the description below if you like this indicator for yourself. Subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.